everyone, today I'm taking you on a walk by the seaside and then we'll head up a small hill for a bit of exercise. Let's enjoy the fresh air and the view together. It's so big. It's good for photo. Wow. You will see Pattaya over there. In the morning the weather so good. But you know, someday it's no wind at all. Today I'm lucky. In the morning sometimes it's like a Dead Sea. No wind, humidity. But it's good for jogging anyway.
Everyone, today we are running by the beach. We plan to go to the
What's the name?
Pattaya Hill.
Pattaya Hill. Yeah.
From here to there is about 8 kilometers. Enjoy with us.
I recommend you to plan over a year to come where you want to stay. You will get a good deal, you know. Yeah, don't be rushed. Plan well. I know it's not easy, but if you can do, your traveling will be smoother. Wow. This area, a lot of the rock is not good for swimming.สวัสดีค่ะ อันนี้เป็นเครื่องมือหาแบบพวกเหล็กอะไร
หาสร้อยหาเหรียญครับ
แล้วแบบมาทุกวันเหรอคะพี่ มาทุกวันเหรอคะ
มาเดินออกกำลังกายเหมือนเราเลย
อ๋อแต่ก็ทำไปด้วย
แต่ผมได้ลุ้นด้วย
อ้าวดี
ได้แขนได้ขา
แต่ก็มีโชคดีบ้างอยู่ใช่ไหม
ได้ครับเมื่อวานคืนก็ได้แหวนวงนึง
Oh see he told me he get the ring yesterday the gold ring ว้าว
ด้วย
ได้ลุ้นด้วยออกกำลังกายไปด้วย He told me he come to exercise and then he bring this Yay! Finally. I'm not fall on the rock. Huh?
มันลื่น
Oh, she get hurt on her finger. Wow, it's nice. The flower. Wow, many people around here. They come in the morning too. Wow, nice. Wow, now you see a lot of the stores. They're around in front of that beach. A lot of things going on this side of the beach. The big hotel, Holiday Inn hotel. Did you see Holiday Inn? This one, Emily If you walk a little bit more, 10 minutes, you will see like Central Festival. And this one, they go to the Terminal 21, the big supermarket. And then I usually walk. Wow. I wonder why this side the water down, but before I just pass, the water come up. It's very difficult to walk. Oh, you see Thani, you see, this one in the front, Wow, he stay here. Oh my God. This location is different. Some people, they get drunk from the night. They just come to lay down. It looks like the homeless, but they are not, They're just getting crazy, cannot go back home. They just sleep on the beach, Sometimes if they come like in the drone, I probably feel scared to me, That's why I'm not. My friend, she told me that you should come like 6 or 7. That's good for us to walk, not dangerous. Wow. Here it looks like in the US a lot of the palm tree. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Wow, it's nice. We will walk in the hill over there. Yeah, the other friend, she come with the return motorbike. She doesn't want to walk with us, but she only want to see, have some fun together. Yeah, another 2 couple Russian. She come to join us. She riding the motorbike, just park over there, just come to walk with us now. Hi!
Hello, morning, always.
I think I should join her for playing tennis today. I stopped for maybe 2 weeks already. For me, the first time, I think I don't like it, and little difficult for me. I used to play badminton before when I stayed in Bangkok. I thought that is pretty similar, but when I starting play the tennis, I think no, not the same. You use a lot of the technique. You have to go take course for how to play. Otherwise, you might get hurt from your shoulder, your wrist. If you don't know the technique. Yeah. For me, I work hard when I first start like learning tennis. I feel so hurt in my neck, my back. I stopped like 1 week to get over. Now I'm in front of the Central Pattaya Festival in the same place with the Hilton Hotel. You see, Hilton Hotel is right here. something happened this hotel like maybe 2 weeks ago. They have the crazy man. They try to jump from the building, but he tried to put things, in the ground. And I heard from my friend, they didn't jump from the building. Yeah, it's scary. My friend shared me the picture that the guy just up in the building. Yeah, it's really scary to me. Don't do that, man. Whatever is like difficult to your life. I know life is not easy when you're getting on. It just happens to everyone. That is not the end of the day. I understand when you so have some trouble. You try to struggle from that situation. It seems like everything so hard for you. The only thing I can tell you, you have to be the light of yourself. Nobody can save you. You have to bring yourself out of the box that is darkness inside. Just go see people, friends. Wow, this area a lot of the restaurant, the fast food, the chicken bonchon. Bonchon here in Thailand, comparing to in the US, the taste so much. The grocery store here, they open like 24 hours. The same in front of my building. They spoil people around here so much. Coffee every corner, every easy to grab it. That's why when I go to the US, I feel everything so difficult to me. I have to try to get anything I want. You're not just walking. You cannot see people. If you not live in the city, you not see people walking. Even in the park, nobody come to picnic. It's very rare people come picnic. I think about if Thai people live there, they will come out a lot of Thai people like it. Hi everyone. Now we are in the walking street. You see, it's so different from the night time. I came here like 2 times already. Wow. In the morning, I will show you how it looks like in the morning. So quiet, everyone cleaning. You see. One day, if I can come, we have some beer. We show you how busy, how crazy this road. A lot of the entertain shop, restaurant, seafood, pub, bar. Wow, let's see. Wow. The omelette smells so good. Wow, looks so yummy. Everyone, I never stand too close to the Pattaya City. The big size of the Pattaya City. People like to check in. Wow, they have the rising condo so close. Oh, this one, the another pier to go to the island. I'm not sure what the name of island they stopping by here. Wow, it's busy. พี่คะอันนี้เข้าไปที่เกาะอะไรคะ
เกาะล้านครับ
เกาะล้านอย่างเดียวใช่ไหมคะ Oh, this guy he told me people waiting to go to the เกาะล้าน island. So busy in the morning. I don't expect people traveling in so early morning. Wow, a lot of the boats here. พี่นานไหมถึงเกาะล้านคะ
รถสปีดโบ๊ทประมาณ15นาที
Speedboat 15 minutes if like
ให
a
ญ่ประมาณก็45นาที
oh he told me like if you take like thank you ค่ะขอบคุณนะคะ if you take like speedboat it's gonna be like 15 minutes like but the regular boat that a lot of people the fare is so much different you know the regular boat 45 minutes speedboat 15 minutes yeah so much different okay have to walk that way I think I have to ask them พี่คะจะไปเดินไปเขาพระตำหนักต้องไปเส้นนี้หรือไปเส้นนี้คะอ๋อเดินเรียบไปนี้ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Everyone I lost my friend because I go to the pier I just asked him which way I have to go it smell like chicken wow หอมมากเลยพี่ ไก่ทอดเหรอคะ
ไก่ทอดจ้ะ
ว้าว
อร่อยขายไม่เหลือทั้งวัน
ใช่ กินง่ายไก่ทอด How you feel today? You like jogging? Do you like?
Oh, I'm like fitness. I'm like my friend.
Yeah. How long you live in Thailand?
15 years.
15 years. Yeah. She have the property here. She live the same condo, another building.
Yes.
Yeah. She like to stay healthy. You work out every day. Yeah. You work out, exercise.
Yeah. Every day to fitness, to gym, to swimming,
Wow.
and make yoga.
Wow.
Always.
Fully every day. She have a lot.
Thailand to sport.
Wow. You very energetic person. You like to do things a lot, like keep busy. That's a kind of healthy way. Wow, Tanya, can you stand there?
Oh,
Wow. You know, this one the spot people like to check in the Pattaya City.
I
Yeah.
like Pattaya.
Yeah, me too. Wow, it's getting hot now. Oh my goodness, I have to run. I have to run. It's busy here. It's good sun though in the morning. I remember the house, my boyfriend's house in Phoenix, Arizona. During summer, is peak to 45 to 50 degree. Oh my goodness, so fucking hot for me. When I go outside, I have to running to the store. Sometimes I walk to gym, I feel like my body is melting with the sun. But the good thing that it's hot but not sweating. Thailand is like it's hot too, but the air, the feeling very different. You sweating, you know. Even the not much sunny, you still sweating. Feel like you cannot breathe, you know. Most of the foreigner they don't used to it. They like, you know, you have to take time like for a while. อะไรอะพี่เอามาเหรอ
เติมพลังให้เร็ว
She give me I don't know. Wow, I smell like the fish. Smell really bad here. Very sweet. Wow สูงมาก Oh my god. I have to walk up to the hill. Have to be careful. Mind your step, everyone. See, very narrow. Oh. Oh. I'm sweating now. Oh my goodness.
คนเดินเยอะมากเลยการคนอย่างเยอะเลยอ่ะเขาอะไรอ่ะเขาเขาเรียกเขาพระใหญ่
เขาพักใหญ่
คนเดินเยอะมากเลยตรงนั้นนะแล้วต้นไม้ร่มแล้วทางสะอาดสะอาด
Hope you guys enjoy the video. Right now we are at Pattaya Hill. Already walk like 5 miles.
พี่วัน โอ้ย sorry say hi to my fan page พี่วัน
ดีค่ะ
she's my friend
สวัสดีค่ะ
she say สวัสดีค่ะ which mean hello hello same thing you see the cat touch here
ทำเพจให้คนอเมริกามาเที่ยวเมืองไทย
yeah I'm looking for showing like Thai culture yeah oh I'm tired oh. Almost there keep walking okay come up a little bit more wow I see the flower everywhere
หมดแล้วใช่ไหมบันไดไม่มีเลยฮะยืนหมดแล้วเห็นไหมมองมาเห็นปะ
สวยมาก
เร็ว
ว้าว Okay, I'm ready. I just asking my friend, she live here for long. I asked her, she been here before. She just driving come up here, but to walk like this, I never come. They still enjoy taking a photo with the sea view. The landscape so nice. Yeah, I like it. Wow, that's why people like to come jogging around here. It's up and down, up and down. You see, It's like you're running or cardio in the treadmill. You get a lot of, you burning your calorie, you know. Depend on you. If you walk farther, you will get like burn a lot of your calorie. You will get healthy though. Wow. Wow. This one is, this point of view so nice. You can see the whole Pattaya from here. See, it's good view, right? Everyone, this hotel, Royal Cliff, I've been here like 2022 with my boyfriend. It's so amazing. The flexibility, amazing, nice. The lobby is so clean and nice, good view, you know. I don't want to go out anywhere. I just like try to get enough with the hotel, the room, the restroom, everything so incredible, you know. I recommend you if want to spend a good time, maybe just 1 night, 2 nights, just try this hotel, Royal Cliff. Yeah. Hi. Now we finished jogging. I think about 8 kilometers from our condo. See everyone, my friend. ขับดีๆหน่อย